In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a vendor in Zoho Books. If you need to keep your purchase records organized and make it easier to track bills, payments, and supplier information, adding a vendor correctly is an important first step. The good news is that Zoho Books makes this process simple. And in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open your Zoho Books account and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside the main dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the menu on the left-hand side, because that's where you'll find the section you need for managing suppliers and purchasing activity. Next, click on Purchase. This area is where Zoho Books groups together all the records related to buying, including vendors, bills, and other purchase transactions. Opening this section helps you make sure the vendor is being added in the correct place, which is important for keeping your accounting records accurate and easy to manage later. After that, click on Vendor. This will take you to the vendor list, where all existing vendors are stored. If you've already added suppliers before, you'll see them here. This page is useful because it lets you review, search, and manage all your vendor contacts in one place. Now click New to create a new vendor. A form will open, and this is where you need to enter the necessary details. Make sure all the information you type is accurate. Depending on your setup, this may include the vendor's name, company details, contact information, billing address, payment terms, tax-related information, and any other required fields. Accuracy matters here because these details can affect future bills, reporting, and communication. It's a good idea to double-check spelling, numbers, and any business information before moving forward. Taking a few extra seconds now can help prevent mistakes later when you start recording transactions for that vendor. Once you've entered everything and reviewed the information, click Save. Zoho Books will then add the vendor to your records, and you'll be able to use that vendor when creating bills, tracking expenses, or managing purchase-related activity. And that's it. That's how to add a vendor in Zoho Books. As a quick tip, always review the details before saving so your vendor list stays clean and reliable. A properly set up vendor profile can save time and reduce errors in your bookkeeping process.